strawberry-infused vinegar. Hey Rach, it's Carleigh Bodrug, aka Plant You. I'm a plant-based food blogger, and I'm so pumped to show you not only how to save time and money today, but how to reduce your food waste. I've been obsessed with this concept of transforming common food scraps into delicious recipes in a little series I like to call Scrappy Cooking. First scrap up are strawberry tops. My favorite way to repurpose strawberry tops is by making strawberry-infused vinegar. So you just save about half a cup of the tops and then add it to a clean jar, and then go in there with about 2 cups of vinegar. Seal your jar. 2 days later, you're left with this beautiful strawberry top infused vinegar. Isn't that gorgeous? I like to transfer it to the original bottle of whatever white vinegar you use. And my absolute favorite way to use strawberry top vinegar, it's on a beautiful summer strawberry salad, which of course uses broccoli, which leads us to our next scrap, broccoli stalks. So you've used those florets in that strawberry salad, but what to do with your broccoli stalks? I'm gonna show you 2 different low-waste ways to use up your broccoli stalks today. First, starting with my crispy broccoli fries. You're just gonna take a small paring knife or even a potato peeler and peel off that skin. Now that you have that outer edge peeled, you're just gonna slice your broccoli stems into fry shapes. Take these one at a time. Place them in the flour, then the plant milk, repeat back in the flour, back in the plant milk, and then finally dipped into those breadcrumbs for extra crisp. Now place them on a parchment lined baking sheet. Now pop them in the oven for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Beautiful broccoli fries, fresh out of the oven. How could you ever throw out the stalks now? Now we've transformed broccoli stems into fries, but how about a low-waste pesto? Let's do it. So for your low-waste pesto, you're gonna start with 2 roughly chopped broccoli stems. Then you wanna add a handful of parsley, a big handful of fresh basil, half a cup of soaked cashews, half a lemon juiced, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and finally half a cup of vegetable broth or olive oil. 5 minutes, that's all there is between you and this amazing, creamy, low-waste pesto. So we've got a bowl of cold pasta here, and we're just gonna add that beautiful pesto in. Cherry tomatoes, chopped broccoli, and a little bit of parsley. Serve it up, bring to a barbecue or to work, and I promise you, nobody's gonna know that the main ingredient in this pasta salad is broccoli stems.
Thank you again so much to Carleigh, and I think everybody should pre-order her cookbook, Plant You.